Hello, people of the worldwide interweb, and welcome to the Halloween special, where we take this disgusting old Vise and turn it into something beautiful. We'll have narration from special guests. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Let's take it apart and see if we can make it look better. In order to take the jaws off of the vise, what I had to do was smack it with the hammer on each side, but just the jaw. You don't want to hit the vise itself. And what it does is it loosens it up. And then I use a little bit of penetrating fluid to get inside of there and loosen up the threads. Now we're going to start to take off rust by hand, just to take off all of the bigger junk.
Now we're gonna cut some metal with the saw and make new jaws.
Now we're gonna blast rust and paint off using compressed air and sand. Yay! Now we're gonna do some painting. And now we start the reassembly. Yay!
I'm adding a haze of grease over all of the exposed metal parts. This will help stop rust from forming. Also, I'm putting it a little bit heavier on all of the slides and the Acme threads, and also inside of the screw holes that hold the jaws in place. This is key if you want to ever take it apart in the future. Thank you for watching, people of the worldwide interweb. If you've enjoyed this video, you may consider subscribing to my channel and checking out other restorations that are just like this. And as always, have a great day, and I will catch you on the next one.